Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve data on ChatGPT app. To know how to fix or how to solve data on ChatGPT app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of ChatGPT. Here you can click on full stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app, and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.